an app called Scout, which was developed by Telenav, and this basically is a navigation app. And what it does is it has a map view, and on the dashboard it actually shows the home and work that you can set up, and you can get directions to home and work at any point of the time. And this is a POI search where you can search for coffee close by. So what we are going to do now is we are going to take this app and get into a Ford vehicle, and here you see this box. This is called Sync in a Box, also called the TDK Technology Development Kit. So what it allows is, now what I'll do is I'll try to find the app on the mobile apps menu. There it is, Scout. This app is called Scout, and once I connect to Scout, and if you can see on the app itself, the app is going to get locked. So at this point of the time, the customer in the car is not able to access the app on the phone because we don't want him to. We want him to keep his hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Now, since it is connected, the customer will be able to access the app via voice commands and even the manual controls. So to just run an example, I will show you how it does via voice commands. I'm going to search for a close by coffee place.
First passenger vehicle from Ford, powered by electricity alone.
Scout, please say a command.
Coffee.
Scouting for coffee.
Stored in powerful state-of-the-art batteries. The Focus Electric will offer a projected combined fuel efficiency.
At this point of time, it's going to read out the closest coffee places to you, 3 at a time. And you can go to the next set of 3 by saying next, or you can actually pick one of these 3 locations by just calling out the number.
Savannah.
If you want to go to the second one,
Energy normally lost is heat during braking.
Scout, please say a command.
2.
It's all made possible by a new generation of high-speed.
You can say drive to, connect to, or go down.
Now it's going to give you options to drive to or connect to. So if the listing has a phone number, you can talk to the Starbucks coffee. But now I want to get directions to that, so I'm going to say drive to. Drive to.
3 to 4 hours by having the available Leviton 240
Scouting to Starbucks.
So it's now downloading directions to Starbucks.
charge status and maybe even minimize
The download is complete,
Download complete.
and once the customer starts moving, you will be able to get the turn-by-turn directions in the car.
Proceed to North Pearl Expressway and head toward Main Street. Then route guidance will start.
It will not have those particular maps. It will have to download that map at that time.
Yeah, because this vehicle doesn't have navigation in it. So what we are trying to do is, even though the vehicle doesn't have navigation in them, by doing this, they will be able to get the turn-by-turn directions downloaded. Okay. So it will be a voice guidance.
How is it connected to the internet?
I'm sorry?
It has a GSM chip or something, or is it using your phone?
The vehicle has a GPS module in it. You get the GPS location of the vehicle, and everything else comes from the app.
Okay. So it is actually using
the phone.
Yeah.
So it is actually using the phone internet connection to download the map.
Well, what happens is the phone, we are only going to use the phone to do the search on the POI. For example, when I said coffee, and when you saw the listings show up here 1, 2, and 3, that's basically from the phone GPS. But once I select one of the locations, then it's going to take the GPS from the vehicle and the destination I chose, which is a Starbucks, and it's going to calculate the route in the cloud and send it back to the vehicle.
Okay. So from where it is actually downloading those turn-by-turn directions? From the cloud?
There's a turn-by-turn client in the sync module. Once the route is downloaded, the turn-by-turn client takes over.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, I'm Allison Hayslip. CES 2013, day 4. We made it, right? Hopefully. Hi. How's it going?